Welcome. In this video, you will learn how instructional media design can reduce cognitive overload when teaching complex clinical content. This topic is especially relevant for clinical trainers who support onboarding and scenario-based learning, where learners are expected to process a large amount of information in a very short time. Be sure to stick around for the knowledge check that takes place at the Movie Awards. First, it's important to understand what cognitive load is. Cognitive load refers to the amount of mental effort required to process information. When too much information is presented at once, learners may struggle to focus, organize ideas, or retain key details. In clinical training, this can happen when multiple concepts, rules, or expectations are introduced simultaneously. For neurodivergent individuals, this often stems from a combination of sensory sensitivities, executive functioning challenges, and environments that require constant multitasking or social masking. There are three types of cognitive load: germane, intrinsic, and extraneous cognitive load. Germane load is the helpful effort used to understand and store new information. Intrinsic load is the natural difficulty of the topic itself. Extraneous load is unnecessary mental effort that interferes with learning. Next, cognitive overload often appears in training media through dense slides, lengthy explanations, or rapid transitions between topics. While these approaches are usually well-intentioned, they can overwhelm learners and make it harder for them to apply information during practice activities or case scenarios. Instructional media should support learning, not compete for attention. Effective media breaks content into small segments, aligns narration with visuals, and removes unnecessary details. This helps neurodivergent and neurotypical learners process information and apply it in scenario-based training. Now, let's pause to test your knowledge. Scan the QR code with your phone to complete a short 3-question Cognitive Load Movie Awards check. Then return here to wrap up. Thanks for joining the Movie Awards. To wrap up, we explored how cognitive overload affects learning, how thoughtful media design can reduce cognitive burden, and that thoughtful design choices supports effective training media. I hope you learned something new today and had fun while learning. Thanks for watching.